Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wallbox for charger firmware and app pairing. To begin, ensure your Wallbox charger is properly installed and powered on. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the Wallbox login URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Wallbox login page. Look for the login form displayed on the screen. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below your email. If you haven't created an account yet, find and click the Sign Up or Create Account option. Follow the prompts to set up your account, providing the necessary information. Once your credentials are entered, click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the Firmware section on the dashboard. Check for any available updates for your charger firmware. If an update is available, follow the prompts to begin the update process. Make sure your charger is connected to the internet during the update. Once the firmware update is complete, return to the main dashboard. Now, proceed to the app pairing section if you are using the Wallbox app. Download the Wallbox app from the App Store or Google Play, if you haven't already. Open the app on your mobile device. Follow the prompts to create an account, or log in with the same credentials you used on the website. Once logged in, look for the option to pair your charger. Select your charger model from the list provided in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Ensure that your mobile device remains connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your charger. Once the setup is complete, you will see your charger listed in the app dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in and paired your Wallbox charger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.